A woman turned to Channel 2 Action News investigates after a major automaker held onto her car for weeks because of a safety recall. Well, now Channel 2 consumer investigator Justin Gray reports just this afternoon that automaker is now offering to buy back the dangerous car.
It was all the way back on December 22nd that Kia sent Kayla Tapley this video showing how her gas tank has expanded. She's been out without a car ever since. They finally just provided a loaner on Tuesday, and just within the past few hours, an offer from Kia after we got involved to repurchase her car and pay off her loan.
It was insane. My whole world got flipped upside down in the span of 30 seconds.
When Kia told Kayla Tapley she can't have her car back, it was unsafe to drive. That was more than 20 days ago.
Now I'm going on 3 weeks with no car, no information, not even a, hey, we're working on this. I can't get any information on it.
Blown up.
You can see from inside the car how the fuel tank expanded in her 2021 K5, and from underneath you can see how close it got to the exhaust pipe. In November, Kia issued this safety recall for 250,000 Georgia-made K5s 2021 to 2024 because, quote, the fuel tank may expand and contact the hot exhaust pipe components.
All of a sudden, boom, and I was like, what I hit?
Russ Sanar and Tiffany Valdez had to pull over on the highway.
Full tank of gas coming out right now. Oh my God.
Even before the recall, Brittany Kelly got the same surprise as Kayla Tapley.
Your gas tank expanded, and you're lucky you made it here safely. Your car's no longer safe to drive.
Kayla Tapley's thankful to have avoided a problem on the road, but it's the more than 3 weeks without a car or answers that's been difficult.
I don't have a car. I'm having to, hand coworkers cash here and there to get to work. I have no ride.
Channel 2 Action News investigates reached out to Kia this week. Tuesday, Kia finally provided Tapley with a loaner car. And now the automaker sent her this letter offering to buy back the car, paying off her loan, and also providing an additional $3,200 in reimbursement. You can always check for open recalls on your car by going to NHTSA's check recall site, putting in your VIN or license plate number. We've made it easy for you. Put a link to that on our website at WSBTV.com. Reporting in Clayton County, Justin Gray, Channel 2 Action News.
A Clayton County woman turned to Channel 2 Action News.
Yeah, that's crazy. This is definitely a recall that I have not heard about, and it hasn't been on any of my recent posts or information cycles. So it's surprising me because this is a massive recall. We're talking about a situation where your fuel tank is going to expand to the point where it could get close enough to your exhaust, which is of course hot and heating up, and then that could be extremely dangerous. And even that situation where the people who heard the loud noise and they found that their gas tank was spilling out onto the road, in that situation, that could have been extremely dangerous. This is a really bad recall. And I'm surprised that there's not more information out there about this recall. And I'm definitely going to have to do more research on when this recall came out. They said it's on the K5. I have a K5 at my store right now. I think I'm going to throw that up in the air and look at this fuel tank because I am really interested in this situation. Wow, that's a crazy thing. Now, it's very rare that you find dealerships or automakers in that matter trying to purchase your vehicle back. So that in itself tells you that this is a very massive recall to the point where Kia doesn't have a fix for this. They have not figured out how to fix this, because that would be the only true reason that you would try to buy the vehicle back and then give them all that extra money on top of it. Because if you have the ability to put a functioning fuel tank in there that ain't going to expand to the point where it hits the exhaust, easy peasy lemon squeezy. But they're talking about she hasn't had her vehicle since December 22 or something like that. And nice country girl, real country. That accent was strong, but it's a situation that's really bad, and it's obvious that Kia doesn't have a fix. Or even with the safety recall, we're definitely going to have to read more into what the safety recall says, because that, my friends, is I'm just checking out real quick this recall, y'all. You know, it's rare that I have not have information on these such things. This should have definitely been a recall that we did, you know, on the recall watch. So here we go. Hyundai and Kia recalling over 330,000 2020 through 2023 Hyundai Sonatas and 2021 to 2024 Kia K5 sedans to fix a faulty fuel tank that could leak and cause a fire. Only vehicles with a 1.6 liter turbocharged gas direct injection engine are included in the recall. The problem is caused by a faulty check valve that can allow air into the fuel tank, causing it to expand and come into contact with hot exhaust components. If that happens, fuel could leak and start a fire. Drivers may first notice a popping sound coming from the area of the fuel tank, an illuminated check engine light, a rough running engine, an engine that won't start, or a fuel odor. To fix the defect, dealerships will replace the faulty check valve, inspect the fuel tank and replace it if necessary, and provide a software update. Telling y'all gonna be taking y'all cars into the dealership just like y'all update y'all phones. As with all recalls, this repair will be free of charge. Hyundai has an ownership stake in Kia, and both companies share parts and vehicle designs. In this case, both vehicles use the same faulty check valve and hose assembly from the same supplier in recent years. Both brands have occasionally announced similar recalls. So it's the check valve that's allowing air to get into the fuel tank. Air, gas mixture, one spark, we gone. All right, guys. Standardly, I'm a massive advocate for Hyundai and Kia. They do put out a really good vehicle, but this surprises me. This recall is massive, and it's one of those recalls that if you have one of these vehicles, you need to take that shit to the dealership and drop that off. You know how we say, if you got one of these kind of recalls that they can openly say to your ass that there's a fire danger, and they can openly say that your gas tank might explode, you drop that shit off and make them give you a loaner vehicle. Don't do like this little country girl and wait like weeks before they give you a loaner vehicle. Demand some shit. You can demand some shit. Now, if you got to be a little bit forceful, you got to be a little bit direct. But they have all the facts that what you're saying is true, and they can definitely say that your life is in danger with this recall. So, if you're one of those people that has a Hyundai Sonata from 2020 to 2023, or a Kia K5 from 2021 to 2024, you need to take your ass to the dealership and drop that shit off. Or, I even say this, call them first. Hey, I'm dropping this shit off. I need a loaner vehicle. I ain't paying for no rental. This is a horrible recall, and my life is in jeopardy. So, y'all need to get me out this car, put me into another vehicle until y'all fix my car, and then I'll come back and pick it up. And that's that. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I am Chris Surratt. Thanks for tuning in to the Car Concierge Show. Please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Hit me in the DMs if you have any questions, and I'm out. Peace.